Replace the old toilet handle with a Korky Strongarm 6071 in minutes to restore reliable flushing. Start by shutting off nothing. The water remains on because this is a dry replacement. Reach inside the tank and unhook the chain from the old metal or plastic hook on the lift arm so the flapper is free. Use pliers to turn the plastic or brass mounting nut toward the wall to loosen and remove it, then pull the old lever out from the outside of the tank. The nut is reverse threaded on some models, so keep steady pressure if it feels odd. Insert the Korky Strongarm 6071 from outside the tank and line up the arm and bracket inside, so the arm will move cleanly without hitting the tank wall. The Strongarm allows forward, downward, or backward orientation, so choose the position that gives you the best lever feel. Reattach the mounting nut by hand, then snug it with pliers so it is secure but not over-tightened, which can crack the porcelain or strip threads. Hook the chain to the Strongarm at a length that gives slight slack, so the flapper seals fully when closed, yet lifts easily when you press the handle. Then test several full flushes and fine-tune the chain connection and arm angle for a firm, comfortable throw. 3 common issues are a stripped or corroded mounting nut which refuses to turn, the chain being too tight causing a running toilet, and the arm hitting the tank wall or catching the overflow tube. For a stuck nut, soak the area with a tablespoon of white vinegar to loosen mineral deposits. Then use channel locks with a cloth to protect finishes and apply steady force. If it still will not budge, cut the nut with a hacksaw blade on a small angle and replace the nut. If the chain is too tight, create about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of slack so the flapper can fully settle and stop running. And if the chain is tangled, replace the connector with a short length of chain or a small length of nylon line to prevent kinks. If the arm contacts the tank or the overflow tube, reposition the bracket on the Strongarm to a different orientation or rotate the handle to one of the other allowed positions until the movement is smooth. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare user experiences, so we can decide who fits our project needs. We also offer a discussion community where we trade tips step by step and contractors can connect with homeowners looking for work.